In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an SVG to Squarespace. If you're working with logos, icons, or illustrations, SVG files are perfect because they're resolution independent and stay crisp on any screen size. In this walkthrough, we'll attach an SVG to a button so visitors can open or download it directly from your site. Start by opening the page in your Squarespace editor where you want the SVG link to live. Hover over the section and click Add Block to insert a new element. From the block options, choose Button. Using a button is a simple, reliable way to host and share an SVG file across most templates without extra code. Once the button is on the page, open its settings by clicking the pencil icon. This brings up the button editor. Update the button text so it clearly tells visitors what to expect. Something like View SVG or Download Logo works well. Clear labels improve accessibility and build trust, so choose wording that matches your intent. Next, attach the SVG to the button. Click. Attach link to open the linking options. You'll see several choices. Select URL to reveal more destinations. Now, switch to the file option. This is where you can upload the SVG, so Squarespace hosts it for you and generates a link automatically. Click the upload arrow and choose your SVG file from your computer. Try to use a clean, final version with a simple file name, since the file name can appear in the download. After the upload completes, select that SVG in the file list. Squarespace will populate the link field with the hosted file URL, so your button now points directly to the SVG. Close the editor to return to the page and check your button. When visitors click it, the SVG will open in a new tab or download, depending on the browser and settings. If the button design doesn't match your style, you can adjust its look using your site's design settings so it blends seamlessly with the rest of the page. A few quick tips to keep things polished. Keep your SVG optimized so it loads fast. Use descriptive button text for clarity and confirm the link works on both desktop and mobile. Remember, this method links to the SVG file. It's ideal for sharing or downloading vector artwork without worrying about image quality. That's it. Your SVG is now added and ready to go through a clean, clickable button on Squarespace.